guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this glitter cut crease here that I created. It's super easy, super quick and fun, and I just wanted to show you guys how to create that look. So in today's video, I'm going to use the M504 brush to start out on the transition area, and I'm just going to bring that back and forth in windshield wiper motions. As you can see, this eyeshadow is, close to my skin tone, so you can't really see it, but it's perfect for that transition area to really build up on that shadow. Next, I'm going to go in with more of a reddish orange shade here, and I'm using that same brush to really blend out those shades there in the transition area. And what is this here is going to help whenever you place those dark shades. It's going to help make everything blend out more cleaner. Next, I'm going in with the E17 brush. This is more of a small blending brush, and I'm going to go right there on that V area. You want to keep it very tight. You don't want to bring it over like you were earlier. And I'm just going to be doing that, kind of dabbing it back and forth. And then I'm just going to keep doing that. Then I remembered that I wanted to carve out my V. So you can use any angled brush that you have, and I'm just going to carve that out there just so everything can look clean and you don't have any room for mistakes. Then I'm just going to blend that out with that same brush that I was using earlier. We're going to use that in circular motions and then windshield wiper motions, back and forth, and really blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with the M441 brush. This is more of a smaller, fluffier brush to really get into that crease area and really blend that dark brown shade out. As you can see, it's definitely building up the transition area, so this is perfect. Then I'm going to go back in with that M504 brush to really blend everything out together. I don't have any additional product on this brush. I'm just simply brushing everything to make everything blend out and look more smoother. Next, I'm going in with the M421 brush, and this is more of a flat-ended brush, and I'm going to be carving out my crease. I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You can use any type of concealer that you have, and I'm just going to carve out that crease area. You want to be clean when you do this part, but you don't have to be too clean. As you can see, I did mess up right here on the top of my lid, but that's totally fine because you will go back in later and define that crease, so it'll cover that up. Next, I'm going to go back in with that M441 brush, and you don't want any harsh lines, so this is going to help blend that into that concealer that I just placed on there to my lid, and it's going to make everything blend more smoothly and no room for harsh lines. And you just want to dab it back and forth. Next, I'm going in with the Stila glitter, and this is my favorite Smoldering Satin glitter from their line, and you just want to have the brush flat on your eyelid and just bring it all the way over to that darker shade. You don't want to bring it too far over because you don't want to kind of defeat that blending area right there that we just created. I really love this color. Next, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics 106 brush. This is a small, precise, pointed brush to really get in there to define that crease. You want to use a darker shade. Of course, I'm using the same shade that I use on my outer V, and you're just going to bring that upwards and just blend it back and forth. And then I'm going to go in with more of a slightly bigger brush a pencil brush, this one right here, to really bring that shade a little bit more up and blend it back and forth. Then I'm going to go back in with a blending brush. I believe this is the M504. And now I'm going to show you a little bit of my wing liner, what I do, what's my process. I'm using an angled brush here, and I'm using the Maybelline Gel Liner. This is my go-to liner. It's not my favorite, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I am open to using a new gel liner. And I'm just bringing that liner up, creating that wing line, and then bringing it back. You want to have a gentle hand when you do the wing. You don't want to be too hard with it because, as you can see, you're just wisping that up. You don't want to be too hard when you're creating this wing. So that is how you create that there with the wing, and you're just going to go ahead and bring that over to the mid-eye area and then just bring it in. Darken everything out. So if you like this video, guys, and you want to see more videos like this of a cut crease, then please comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.